your DJI Action 5 can record in portrait and landscape mode. And to switch between those two modes, it is as simple as this. Film like this for landscape and film like this for portrait. That's it. If you see the title here, switch side, all those icons, this means that you are on the right side to film like that. However, there might be a feature that avoid this feature to happen, and it's the orientation lock over here. So if this is enabled, now when you turn, it doesn't do anything and will keep recording into landscape. So disable this feature, and now you can film like this, like this, like this. It doesn't matter. It will always, but it's only for the beginning. So if you start recording like this and you turn like this, it will remain into landscape mode. So I hope this was helpful.